round 5 is the last one. The consonants at the bottom, named Batchim. Do you remember this one? Ka, ka, ka sound, right? Ka, ka, ka. If they are at the bottom of the syllable, it sounds like just K. K sound. 수박, 수박, 박, 박, 부엌, 부엌. The next one is just N sound, right? Na, N sound. But if this consonant is at the bottom of the syllable, just same sound, N sound. 눈, 눈, 눈. 사진, 사진. Yeah, you can read this one with A sound. 다, 사, 싸, 자, 차, 타, 하. If they're at the bottom of the syllable, just you can sound like T. 숟가락, 숟가락, 젓가락, 젓가락, 갔다, 갔다, 낫, 낫, 꽃, 꽃, 밭, 밭, 히읗, 히읗. L sound, right? La. L sound. If it is at the bottom, just same L sound. 물, 물. 일, 일. 교실, 교실, which means classroom. M sound. You know, if it is at the bottom, just same M sound. 사람, 사람. 마음, 마음. If B or P, like 바 or 파, then if they're at the bottom, just P sound. P. 집, 집. 입, 입. Oh, you know this silence consonant, right? If it is at the bottom, just sound. Sound. So it is 빵, 빵. 공, 공.